What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to find the factory code for the keypad that's on the outside of the driver's door on a Ford Edge. This is a 2020 Ford Edge here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So from the factory, there's a card in your owner's manual that's usually right here or here that has the permanent factory code for that keypad. But if yours is missing, as this one is, I'm going to show you how you can still find it. What we will need to do this is 2 working keys. What we want to do is, if we look in the bottom of the center console, there's going to be what's referred to as the backup slot. And we want to place the first smart key in that backup slot. And you want the top of the smart key facing the front of the vehicle and the buttons facing up. So you want it sitting in there like that. Now what we're gonna do is turn the ignition on. Once it's done dinging, we're gonna turn it off. And then we're going to replace that first key fob with our second one and do the same thing. And once you get to this point where you press the ignition the first time, you need to do all these steps fairly quickly or it won't work. So we're going to turn it on. So that's going to be done by pressing the stop start button without pressing the brake. Once it's done dinging, turn it off. We'll remove the first program smart key, place our second smart key in there in the same way, and come over here and do the same thing. Press that one time without pressing the brake. And if we take a look up on the dash, we'll get our factory code right there. So pretty simple. If you're not able to get it, it may be because you're just not going fast enough. I had that experience right before I started filming. So that would be my tip. If you're not able to get it, just try switching those out and doing that a little faster. But other than that, it's pretty easy. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.